laundry smells amazing, and I want to thank the brand of these beads. This was a free sample, but I love it. So it has the instructions here. Mine is front load. So after adding the detergent, I add the beads and I just put the regular wash. So this is about for a small load, and for a medium load you can use two. This is how they look. I like the fragrance. I like that my clothes are so soft after I finish washing with the beads, and they also smell amazing. The smell stays for a long time, and I like it because this doesn't have any dyes, no bleach, so it's safe on all the colors. Even for my toddler, it's safe to use on his laundry. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you try it. They are really good and you won't regret it. Thank you for watching my video.